All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol KODK, Eastman Kodak Co. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first-time viewers. Welcome to my channel. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers for their support, their encouragement, their feedback, and letting me know why I do this. Because here we are to learn and grow and make some money together, right? Another thing too, I really appreciate you guys when you engage in conversation, help one another when we have questions down below in the comments, and also for hitting the like button. Believe it or not, when you guys hit the like button, you guys are sharing my video because the algorithms, according to YouTube, the more you guys like my video, the more they're open to suggesting it in other people's profiles, other people's suggestion lists. So I really would encourage you guys to hit the like button for me, to let me know you watched the video. That's one way to notify me. And also share my video. That's the easiest and best helpful way to allow my videos to be shared, thanks to your guys' support by the click of a button. For all my prospective subscribers or already subscribers, I want you guys to double check when you guys are looking at the subscribe button if you guys have hit the bell, because by hitting the bell, you guys won't miss out on a single video that I make, and you guys will be up to date. And the reason why I share this information with you guys is sometimes you guys are just focused on one ticker symbol, and if all of a sudden that ticker symbol you got out of it, or you're not in it anymore, or you kind of give up on it, or XYZ reasons, you guys don't really look at the other videos. And I know that it may not pertain to you, but I highly encourage you guys to look at it, because every chart has a new story and a new angle and a new thing and a new trend that you guys might be missing out on when I explain what's going on with the chart. So I highly encourage you guys to get that notification button turned on, because even though you're not in the chart, right? You're not in that ticker symbol. There's so much to learn every video, every ticker symbol. And also, you guys may have overlooked the stock, and by me making a video, you get some insight on it. Obviously, do your own due diligence and do your own research, but that way you guys will be informed on it and not just oversee it or overlook it and miss out on it, or may not even know about it. Because I have had a lot of subscribers and viewers say thank you because they didn't know about this, and once I posted the video, they found it. They find it interesting just by looking at the chart, just like I do, or looking at the history, or looking at the price, or looking at the stock, the company, and so forth, the prospects, stuff like that. And maybe even you guys have the ability to do some research on a stock and piggyback off of what I say about these stocks, right? And you guys can comment down below. I highly encourage that. But let's jump into this chart. Yesterday, I had done the support level. I circled it. I did some notes, which was $12. And then I did some notes down here, which was this, I said support level at $12, excuse me, resistance level. And then the support level was around $7 down here. I didn't have time to do this video, but I want to share with you guys something that I found very interesting, and I didn't have time to do this video. And today in the morning, early in the morning, I saw this stock at around $14. And I was hesitant to jump into this stock, and I wanted to. I told myself, I'm going to jump into this stock. This stock seems like it has some potential. It had a bullish run yesterday. More investors are going to be attracted to it. There could be a potential here. Maybe I'll go ahead and trade it for just a couple hours and then sell, right, for profits. And literally, as the hours went by, you could see that I had potential to make some money here, and I missed out on it. I didn't get on it. And I just wanted to share that with you guys, that the learning lesson here is, if you feel and you see the chart is showing you the right information, and you're seeing the volume, and you're seeing obviously the potential there, and you like what is being said about the company, and just looking at the headlines and the news and so forth, it just tells you everything about it. I mean, look at this. $765 million loan to Eastman Kodak to support launch of Kodak Pharmaceuticals. I mean, just money's being given to them, and there's just good news everywhere. And I felt comfortable. I felt comfortable in it, and I didn't jump in it. So, lesson is, if you feel like jumping in the stock, don't hold yourself back. I'm not calling this fear of missing out. I'm not going to call this FOMO, and I don't want anybody to have FOMO. But if you have everything aligned and all you had to click was buy, and you made an excuse to not buy, and you walk away and you get busy throughout the day, and then you look back and you're like, dude, I told myself to buy, and I gave myself a reason not to buy. When honestly, I could have taken the risk. You know, what's the worst that could have happened? I lost a couple dollars. I did a stop loss. Yeah, I would have done that. I'm not perfect. Just because I do these charts doesn't mean I always win. And just because I win doesn't mean that I'm always a winner and I win the most. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm a guy that just focuses on profit. Whether it's $1 or it's 1,000, I just want profit. When you can minimize your losses and be much more profitable trader, doesn't matter how you profit. What matters is that you're profiting, because some of the best traders still lose money, but they start to lose less money. And that's what makes them a great trader. A lot of people, what they struggle with is actually becoming profitable. And I know I'm going off track, but I do want to share this. A lot of people, what they have the most trouble with is becoming profitable. The reason why is a lot of people will do one great trade, and then all of a sudden, through other trades, end up losing all those profits and then ending up below where they started. Or a lot of people start and they don't even see a chance to make profits. So I'm going to do videos on that at some point, and I'm going to go in more in depth. But my best advice is to any trader, and it's just coming to my mind right now and my heart to say this, is learn how to become profitable. As long as you're making $1 a day, you're becoming a better trader. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what anybody thinks. I don't even want to go ahead and have to debate this with anybody. And if you have your own opinion, it's not that I don't care. I do care, because every opinion counts. They're all valid. Opinions are allowed. You can't misconstrue facts, but opinions, we can all have them. That's freedom right there, right? But regardless of that opinion that somebody has, that is not true, that is so incorrect. Whether you're making $1 or $1,000, the fact that you're profiting is more valuable, and it shows that you can become a better trader the day of tomorrow, the more you profit, than being able to do one good trade either off of luck, either off of a good research, but then all your other trades go down the drain. So I don't know who I'm speaking to or who this goes out to, but I hope that you guys are understanding and taking this in a well fashion, because I'm here to help you guys. I'm not here to bring anybody down. I'm not here to, you know, destroy anybody's dreams or say that anybody's better than the other. Um, every trader takes losses. I lose. Um, and every trader takes wins, right? But some win more than others. And it's not about how much you're winning. And that's what I want to get to, the concept of this whole entire purpose of me stating this. And I just feel like saying that, because this is one of those stocks where a lot of people will get mad that they entered at $7 and they sold at 17. A lot will get mad that they entered at 43 and sold at 50 when they saw this go up to 58. Or a lot of guys are going to say, oh, I came in at 31 and I sold right here at 44, but this reached almost 47. You know, all those types of different mindsets. And I just hope that through this video, anybody that has had that mindset before or has it, drop it. Really, really. This is dearly, I'm saying this dearly, from from my mind, and honestly from the heart. All jokes aside, to any trader, new trader, professional trader, day trader, swing trader, um, and value investor that buys and holds and all that stuff. But any trader that really is a true trader and isn't just about jumping in and jumping out on stocks, will jump in with me and comment down below that what I'm stating is correct. That as long as you're profiting $1 a day, you're becoming a better trader for tomorrow. Because tomorrow you can do $2, and the next day you can do $3, and the next day you can do $4, and at some point you're going to be doing $1,000. So, hope you guys find these words encouraging. I hope you guys take this well and maximize these words and this prospect of perspective so that you guys can maximize earnings and minimize losses, because that is my goal every single day. That's my point for these charts and the whole point of why I'm doing these videos. So I hope I spoke to you guys in a direct manner and literally, like I said, from the heart, man. To all you brothers and sisters out there that watch these videos, I hope you guys can go ahead and turn around any perspective you guys had before on thinking that it's all about how much you can gain, when in reality it's all about, did I gain today or did I lose? It's all about gaining, whether it's $1 or $1,000. Let's jump into this chart. So this stock had some movement, right? Saw that bullish run. Here it is, leveled out, closed out at 31.98. It's above the 50-day moving average of 17.92. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. 17.92 is the 50-day moving average. As long as it stays above it, this stock is in bullish territory. That's almost half the price of the current closing price. So keep that in mind. The support level is 26.69. If that gets broken through, I'm not saying that the Bears have won. The Bulls can reappear and bring this back up, but the Bears will be working their way closer to the 50-day moving average, trying to cross it and bring it into bearish territory. Now, if this is going to continue a bullish run, it's going to want to break through this high where the rejection started and started to get really bearish towards the end of the day, which is 47.72. If that can be broken through and used as support, new resistance levels and the bullish rally can continue. But the most important one is 59.10. And the reason why is because that's the highest point this stock has reached in the last weeks or maybe even months. To be honest with you guys, look at this. Look at this chart. I mean, it's bound to fall or either just continue to skyrocket. So anybody that's doing this stock as an option to their portfolio, right? And they want to trade this, either buying it, selling it, puts, calls, do your due diligence, be mindful, because stocks like these are very risky, but there is reward, and do your research. I hope you guys found this video informative and helpful. And for those of you that learned something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community, and let's make some money.